Hello everyone, I'm Annie here. I'm back to show you another kit, and you can see that this is a crochet cupcake bag, and also with the cupcake doily book. So I use this ring to bind it together. I have 4 pictures here, and also I crochet the tiny ice cream and the cupcake. Okay, and this is the cupcake bag with the berry, and I followed the tutorial on YouTube, and yeah, this is how mine came up with. And also you can see everything related with the cupcake. This is the tin cupcake, very tiny tin that I in my stash for quite some time, so I just use it for this cake. So I crochet this kind of the small flower, so you can include this into your project. And I also provide this rosebud for you to glue on the flower. They have 2 in each color: purple, blue, pink, green, and the soft pink. Okay, so you can glue it, the rosebud on top, or whatever maybe you like to glue with the pearl, so you can glue it by your own. Okay, so this one is the tiny, I just put it in, and this is the rosebud that I provide, so you can glue onto the flower. Okay, and of course you can see another cupcake tin inside. So inside this tin you have crochet the tiny candy with different color. Okay, 4 color, and also another cupcake applique here. And this one is you can use it as a doily for your cupcake book, and also you can, if you want, you also can make another cupcake book in this round doily, because these 2 page, the cover and the back is with the scallop, but inside I just crochet the round one, so you can make another mini book for this project. Okay, I just put it in, and you have to open it up because the tin is too small for this doily, but anyway, you can make it back. So this one, and 4 little tiny candy, and this is the back. Okay, so you can use it for anything you like. Put anything you like inside this bag, and I just put all this in here. So I just make 2 of these kits. So if you are interested, you can visit to our Facebook kit group and message me for the price and the shipping. So only have 2, and also I put all this print up on the cardstock. So okay, you can firstly cut it out to use it into your project, and the cupcake, and this count the memory, not the calories. Queen of cupcakes, and life is short, eat a cake. And print up all different sizes. Yeah, I could print this bigger size, and this is the tiny cupcake size, so you can use enough for you to decorate your bowl. Okay, so all this is the cupcake project, and I come back to show you another cupcake, another project. Okay, I will come back to show you another one. And yeah, everything is crochet. I'm crazy of crocheting at the moment. So yeah, anyway, I will come back and show you another project. And thanks again for everyone, and if you like this project, just give me a big thumbs up, and thanks again for your support.